Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro is a good option to buy in a mid-range budget. The configuration of the smartphone quite good to perform well. The smartphone comes with a huge storage space for storing large amount of data or files. The camera quality of the smartphone is very good for clicking good images and videos. However, it has hybrid slot, which is not preferred by many users. Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro features a 6.3-inch Full HD bezel-less display with water drop notch and has a screen resolution of about 1080 by 2340 pixels. The pixel density of the screen is about 409 ppi, which gives a good viewing experience. There is a Corning Gorilla Glass that protects the display from scratches and marks. Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with 4G connectivity option in both the SIM. All other features include Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.0, a GPS and USB Type-C. Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with an octa-core, 2 GHz dual-core Kryo 460 plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Kryo 460 processor setup that is based on Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. It comes with a 4 GB RAM, which helps the device for multitasking. For the graphical part, the smartphone comes with Adreno 612 GPU. The device comes with a 4,000 mAh Li-polymer battery that features quick charging facility. It can be a good option for heavy users since it does not require to be charged frequently. Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with a 64 GB internal memory that can be extended to 256 GB with a memory card slot provided. There is enough memory storage space to store large files. Redmi Note 7 Pro features a rear dual camera setup of 48MP and 5MP with XMOR CMOS sensor lenses along with a LED flash. It is able to click HD pictures and record videos. At the front, it features a 13MP aperture, which works well in some good quality selfies. Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro price in India starts from 13,399 rupees. The lowest price of Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro is 13,399 rupees at pmall.com. This is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage base variant of Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is available in Space Black, Neptune Blue, Nebula Red color,